Yo guys, so today I'm back in another video and loads of you have been requesting this from my school and people have been saying they have Ferraris and all that, and guess what I have? Porsche, but I just need to find it first. Is it in here anywhere? Can't see it. Wait, is it in here? Wait, it won't be in there, it's on our weapons and things. Yo guys, today I'm back in another video and lots of you, especially Joseph, have been requesting me to show you my Porsche. So, are you ready? Here it is. Dun, 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 dun. Just excuse that. Look how nice it is. Look at that. Doors open and everything. Look at that. Yeah, it's a Porsche 918 Spider. And yeah, I'll show you some of my other cars. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Yeah, it's Forza Horizon 3. But just look at these cars. Yeah, guys, that's all I have to say about this video. If you liked it, don't forget to drop a like and click that beautiful red subscribe button up the top. And look at that light, no? Oh, look at that light. Pa 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 pre-subscribe.